This compact steaming iron is going to change the way that you think about wrinkled clothing and how to take care of it. It heats up super fast, and just look at how it's melting away those wrinkles. Other steamers have long hoses and big tanks, but with this you get all that power in one small handheld tool that's smaller than my hairdryer. And you won't believe how easy it is to use. All you have to do is remove the plug in the back and fill it with distilled or purified water. There's even a measuring cup included that makes this foolproof. Just be sure you don't go past the max fill line labeled on the tank. Now, after you push the button to turn it on, you need to be careful not to touch that hot steel plate. It helps the tool glide across your clothes and presses out stubborn creases. Just 100 milliliters of water lasts for up to 7 minutes of steam, so you can get your entire outfit done for the day without even needing to refill. Once the steamer is out of water, you can just shut it off, unplug it, let it cool down completely, and then store it out of the way until next time. Just head on down to PulseTV today and check it out.